everyone, welcome you all. I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 38 of GK, and the name of the chapter is Sports Quiz. So sports से related हमें quiz दिया हुआ है इस chapter में that we have to solve. So let's begin. Here is an exciting sports quiz. So start करते हैं अपना quiz. The first question is, who was given the honor of carrying the Indian flag at the closing ceremony of the 2008 Beijing Olympics? तो कौन था जिसको honor किया गया था by carrying the Indian flag at the closing ceremony of 2008 Beijing Olympics? तो it was Vijendra Kumar. After that, in which sport would you be proficient if you had 2600 ELO points? तो कौन सा ऐसा स्पोर्ट है जिसमें आप एलिजिबल होगे if you have 2600 ELO points? So this is chess. After that, which is the longest running race at the Olympic Games? तो कौन सी रेस है जो सबसे ज्यादा लंबी रेस मानी जाती है in the Olympic Games? So the longest race is considered as marathon. Next is, Pakistan defeated Sri Lanka to win the 2020 World Cup in 2009. पाकिस्तान ने श्रीलंका को हराया था in the 2020 World Cup 2009. Who was the man of the match in the final? तो कौन था man of the match finals में, right? So it was Shahid Afridi. After that, what is the name of the award given by the Government of India for excellence of sports coaching? So it was named as the Dronacharya Award. Next, in which racket sport is there a metal board called the telltale on court? तो कौन सा एक रैकेट स्पोर्ट है जिसमें मेटल बोर्ड जो है वो कहलाता है telltale on court, right? So this is known as this sport is named as the squash. After that, who is the only player to have won the Grand Slam in tennis not once but twice? तो कौन था जो only player है जिसने won किया है Grand Slam in tennis? एक बार नहीं, दो बार. So it is. After that, has any city hosted the Olympic Games on 3 occasions? क्या किसी भी city ने Olympic Games को host किया है on 3 occasions? So no, neither city has hosted it for 3 times. Next is Mohini Bhardwaj representing USA won a silver medal at the 2004 Athens in which sport? So it was gymnastics. Gymnastics. After that, which Indian had the honor of bowling the first ball in the history of the Cricket World Cup? तो कौन सा इंडियन था जिसको फर्स्ट बॉलिंग करने का मौका मिला था इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द वर्ल्ड कप? सो इट वाज मदन लाई. So that was all for this chapter. I hope you all have learned more about the sports. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.